Okay, let's take a look at E14-3. Jasmine Sense has been given two competing offers for short-term financing. Both offers are for borrowing $15,000 for 1 year. The first offer is a discount loan at 8%. The second offer is for interest to be paid at maturity at a stated rate of 9%. Calculate the effective annual rates for each loan and indicate which loan offers the better terms. All right, well, let's look at the first one, and I'll just work right here. We need to calculate the effective annual interest, and this is on a discount loan, okay? If I can type it. So what we take is the $15,000 times 8%, right? And that's going to give us some dollar amount. It actually will give us $1,200, but I don't want to stop. I don't want to stop there. I'm going to take 15,000 times 8%. I'm going to put parentheses, excuse me, around that, and then I'm going to divide that by, it's a discount loan, the $15,000 minus the $15,000 times the 8%. Okay? And when I do that, I calculate essentially the $1,200 divided by the $13,800. In other words, it's the $15,000 less the $1,200 that we calculated. And so that will actually calculate the effective interest rate. And if I've done that right, I come up with 8.7%. And there's our 8.7%. Now remember, that's essentially $1,200, the interest divided by 15,000 minus the 1,200. That's the one case. Then the second case is an interest payable at maturity. So I'll call this one. You know what? I'm going to, just to be consistent, we'll lay it exactly the same way. Lay it out exactly the same way. And this is going to be interest paid at maturity. Okay. And then probably what I want to do is slide that over a little bit. Bring the puppy dog back in, though. We don't want to lose him. Right? And then this one, we just take the $15,000 times 9%, which will give us $1,350. And then if we divide that by $15,000, we don't need to use parentheses here, we come up with the straight 9%, which is what you'd expect. Right? No surprises there. So what it tells us is the better alternative is this one. I'll bold that to point out that that's the better alternative because the discount loan gives us a better rate. But I do want to make one other point. Jasmine Sense, although they should take the discount loan since it has a better interest rate, if they actually need the $15,000 rather than, you know, what was it, $13,700, $13,800, right? The $15,000 less the $1,200, then they need to borrow more to come up with the difference. Okay, so what's happening is they're really only getting 92% of the loan because the other company, with a discount loan, they're taking the $8,000 out right off the bat.